So I wanted to share with you how I use Canva to create my mailers and things to include in orders when people place local orders with me. And then if they shop my website, I stick this in the mail to them. So I've already created, but I can just show you really quick how simple this is. I do use the Canva Pro, but I started out with the free version of Canva and I used that for a long time, and it has everything that you really need to start out. So you can really start with a blank slate, or you can grab a template that they have, but I really love this postcard size option. So see, they have tons of templates, but I really just prefer to start from just a blank canvas. I go over here to background. Right now I'm using this really pretty springy one. It is a free one, so you can, it'll say pro if it's something that is not free, that it's part of the upgraded ones, but there's tons of free options. You really just need to get in here and play around with it and click on things until you're comfortable, and that's the same with anything. But you have different text. Some of these are editable text, some are not, but you can also just click here. Thank you for shopping with us. You can move it wherever you want it. You can, I like to change the font to different pretties. See? So there's that. And then if you want to add, like I like to add, on mine I added, there's my old one. I like to add like our little story. Where did it go? I lost it. But we'll stick with this. But I have my little story here, like we're from the Des Moines area. We have 4 daughters. Carly's playing basketball this season. Katie's in show choir and jazz band. Jason, I like to inform my customers on what they are supporting when they shop with us. And over here, I've got different pictures that I've added. And I like to personalize things with my host too. So you can come in here, you can upload a picture of yourself or your family. Let's see, photos. So, I mean, I don't know. Let's see. We'll just go with this one right here. So thank you for shopping with us. This is also a really cool feature. I wouldn't want to remove the background of this because it's so beautiful. It's from our leadership trip with Scentsy to Hawaii, but you can come up to this effects. This actually might be part of Pro. I'm not 100% sure. But you can remove the background from your images, and it's so cool. Look at that. How neat. So that's really cool if you want to take the background easily out of your images. Another really cool feature is photo frames. You can drag that over there, and that's a free one, and then stick your picture in a circle. But see, it's really something that you just kind of got to get in and play around with. Click on all the different features until you're more comfortable. Let's see. So if you want to move your text, you can move your text behind your image. You can move your text back in front of your image. So lots of really fun little features to play around with. So this is how I print 4 to a page. I go, where are you? How do I do it? Hold on, guys, hold on. Where's it at? Where is it at? Hold on. See, we gotta just figure it out. It's not giving me my option it usually does. Interesting. Oh, duh. Okay, so duplicate the whole page. Oh, there it is. It's right here. So I click it 3 times. Oh my gravies. So this makes 4 copies exactly the same. And then I'm going to come up here and I'm going to download it as a PDF print. And then download. Okay. And then I'm going to bring it up. It's saved as a PDF, so I'm just going to click print. And then here's where I get it. This took me forever to figure out. So pages per sheet. 4. Oh my goodness. And then you do have to kind of play around with the size. So you go to scale. Okay, so let's see. Let's do a custom. And then you can kind of play with this number until it's the size that you want it to be. And there's probably easier ways to do this, but this is how I figure things out. I just keep messing around until it's the way that I want it. And YouTube and Google searching is my best friend. But okay, so I like to leave a little bit of room to be able to cut it out. But this is how I make my flyers, and then I print it out on regular copy paper so that it's really lightweight. You can also print it directly from Canva if you want to. So you can do print postcards, and you can print from Canva. Single side, let's say, okay, it's trying to print all 4 pages. If I was going to print from Canva, I would want to just remove these extra 3 pages, because I obviously don't need them if I'm going to have Canva print it. Okay, so you can have 50 copies made for $15, and they'll send it to you, but it's going to be that heavier postcard paper, which is great. This would be a business expense you could write off, but I'm perfectly capable of just printing this myself at home on regular copy paper. It's going to mail lighter when I put it in my online order mailers. But that is how I do a lot of my flyers. Anytime we have a fun special, I just go in here, I make a quick flyer, and then I print 4 to a page, and I have one of those cutters, and I just cut them out and send them out to the people, and that is all I do. But let me know if you have any questions, and I am happy to help.